Hi everybody! It's so good to see you all again. Welcome. Remember, you know me, Mrs. Friedman, and I'm a music teacher. I'm really excited to start showing you some of the things we're going to do this year. Last time we met, Mrs. Capello and Mrs. Fendler and myself showed you the Learning Innovation Lab. We're going to revisit that just for a moment and see what is in there that's just music. Can you get your ready fingers? I'm going to say, are you ready? And you're going to say, I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's try that again. Make sure you're crossing your fingers. Are you ready? What are we ready for? We're ready for music. Can you try that? Music? All right, I'm going to ask you, are you ready for music? And you're going to say, I'm ready for music. Here we go. Are you ready for music? Are you ready for music? Nice. Let's go and see what is waiting for us on the Music Innovation Lab. Well, I want to remind you, and I know Mrs. Capello and Mrs. Fendler already told you, and I think I did too, but I just want to remind you, right here on your page, and this one might not be your specific page, but I'm just showing the Music Innovation Lab, or the Learning Innovation Lab always has these 3 boxes. These are your 3 activities for the cycle, okay, that we might be on. There's a story time, there's a did you know, and there's a music lab. Of course, mine is the music lab. So, if you want to do the music lab first, that's fine. If you want to do the did you know first, that's fine. If you want to do the story time first, that's fine. But before the cycle is over, okay, and that's 3 times through, okay, a 6-day cycle. 3 times through a 6-day is 1 cycle. For Mrs. Fendler, Miss Capella, and Mrs. Friedman, you have to do these at least once, right? But it doesn't matter what order you do them in. All right, so when you click on Music Lab, it's going to take you somewhere. Let's go over here and see what this is. I'm going to go way over here. Oh, wow, that looks like a really fun site. But how would I get there if I was in the Learning Innovation Lab? Well, you know what? When you're in the Learning Innovation Lab, there's so many things to look at. I'm going to show you the very, very special, there it is, the special computer with the music notes. It says music play on it. So say that you are done with your 3 activities and you want to do more music play. You want to play some of those really cool games on there. You look for that. You look for the computer with the 2 notes and the colorful name music play. And it's going to be in the resource room. Okay, it's going to be in that resource room. Let's take a look at where it is in here. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, it's right here. Okay, it might not always be there though. You have to be paying attention. I want you to start knowing we got to look for those colorful signs. This one is for a 2nd grade class, but because I'm only recording this class one time, because I have many, 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 you're going to look for this symbol right here. And you're going to click on it, okay, on your free time, in your free time. Sometimes you'll click on the lesson for the day, and that will be a music play lesson, okay? But music play is also just for, you can go and play for fun. Now you know, there's another really, really cool cool thing I like to do, and that is I like to tell Freddy the Frog stories and Eli too. And if you're not familiar with those, you will be. Freddy's going to come and visit. Okay, right now he's on vacation, but he's going to come and visit, and Eli too. And we're going to be going through the stories and revisiting them often because they are so much fun. Now, this is a tune that you might know, and I'm going to hum it because you know what? Even though I'm allowed to sing, you guys, if you're in the classroom, can't sing. Not supposed to just yet, okay? So you're going to hum. Let's see if you recognize this tune, okay? I'll sing the whole thing. You listen. Aha! Yes, if you were a student here last year, you will know if you, well, at least if you were in kindergarten last year or first grade or second grade, you would know this song is the Hello Freddy song. That's right. But it also sounds like a different song. Do you know that song in a different way with different words? Okay, well, some of you might, teachers might. It's Are You Sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Yeah, it's also the Hello Freddy song. So, I'll sing one, you sing back to me. Humming. Humming, not singing. Ready? Excellent. We're going to learn Freddy's song in sign language this year. That's going to be really, really cool. I'm very excited. Let's take a look at the Music Play website. I'm going to click on it, and there it's going to take me to this page. Now, you can see when you click in, you don't need anything like a password or a username or anything like that. But you'll want to click on the grade that's yours. So you'll get to this page and you'll click on your grade, and you will come to a page that looks like this. Wait, let me go back. Like this. Oh, here, let me just click right there. Okay, you'll come to a page that looks like this. And everything in the middle, this big part, that's for when I teach lessons. You don't have to look at it, worry about it, or do anything. And actually, I prefer that you don't, because it's very, there's a lot of stuff in there. And I need to give you directions for that. But over here on the side, there's lots of games. And if you click at the very bottom where it says all games right here, you get to see all those games just a bit bigger, okay? And they're numbered, which is great. So if I say, hey, I want you guys to revisit and play game number 3, then you'll know which one to play. It's really important, I just want to let you know, that if you play a game, you have to wait for the music in the game and a lot of the games to stop before you give your answer. Let me show you one. Let's see. How about Fast and Slow? Ooh, this is like a dunking game. This is kind of fun.
Listen to the sound.
Oh, there's the button that says start. You know what though? You know what I didn't do? I didn't listen to the directions, did I? We always need to. So let's listen to the directions.
Listen to the sound. Tell me
slow, now you use your ears. Was that fast or slow? Yeah, so you would click slow. Ooh, we got the target. Was that fast or slow? If you didn't hear it because you were talking, then we can push play sound again. Oh. It's not playing for me, but I remember it was fast. That's right, slow. All right, guess what? I'm gonna go up to this corner way up here. I'm gonna go up to this corner way up here because this is where we close. Can you see it says close up there? Okay, so I'm gonna that's where we close out, okay? And every game has full screen also that you can click. Now, my friends, I'm gonna go back to this page. Remember, you can explore a little bit when you have free time, and anytime you finish with one of your specials lessons, either computers or library or music, you can go to the Music Play website and play some of those games, okay? Well, that's all for today. Now that you're done with my music lesson, you can finish up your packets from last week, or you could click on Mrs. Capella's Epic iPad and look for some books to read and get on that Epic challenge. So have a great rest of the day, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. I miss you. Bye-bye.